In this video I will be giving you an overview and showing you exactly how this Warco 30-inch shear and brake roll works. Hello everyone, welcome to the what we call the garage at work, second workshop, and today I want to take a look at this Warco 30-inch shear brake and roll. Let me start by apologising for the camera work because I am using my mobile phone to film this and I'm having to do it single-handed as well, so I do apologise if the camera work's not as good as you would like it, guys. What this thing can do is can shear or cut sheet metal or whatever you want to put in there. We can also do a little bit of bending as well, and at the top here we have a set of rollers, so you can roll steel as well, make it into a cylindrical shape too. You can see this piece of equipment has been here since at least 1997, at least that's the manufacturing date, so I would imagine it's probably been here that long. Got a few little warnings here, and somebody's very helpfully put 6mm key required for the Allen bolts just here. And we have a little clamp here to clamp the metal or whatever while you're cutting it. So let's give it a workout, shall we, guys? Okay, so I've got a little bit of fibre, very thin fibre board here. Just slide that underneath, like so. There we go. Let me just bring the handle down, and it should cut it off for us. Hopefully we can see the action from the rear here if I don't bang my chin with the handle. You can adjust the handle here to give you more leverage if you need it. If it's not set like this, there's probably not a lot of leverage, but give you a great deal more leverage set here. It comes on its own stand, fairly robust stand here. It's got little edges to catch anything rolling around, falling off. Where we have storage for materials and what have you that are in use at the time, offcuts and things. We've also got a handy little brush on the table here, and a few other bits and pieces. Got some thin aluminium just here. Let's try the brake, the bender, shall we say? Get it in there. Is it going to stay there? Hang on a sec. I'm trying to do this single-handed while I'm filming with my phone, so I do apologise about that. Okay, let's give it a go. Oh, wrong way. And there we go. What kind of a bend have we got on that? Let's have a look. Oh, let me get it out. Blimey, yeah, give that a good bend. Okay, I've managed to free it. There we go, look at that. It's a nice bit of a bend going on there. And there are plenty of cobwebs, of course. So there are plenty of spiders in here. This is quite a good one. It works on a cam action as well. You can just about see it working there, look. It gives you the extra leverage in the cam to operate both the brake and the shear, and also the rollers too. You see them going round. Hopefully, if I don't pull a piece of equipment right over, but you should be just about see it going around there. And there we go, you can see it working there, look. Okay, so what about the rollers then? Well, we've got adjustment just here on both sides. You can just about see it over there. There's the other adjustment knob. The different size materials just increases the gap in the rollers there. It should be working. Over here you've got this little lever just here, so you can shove that over like so, and then we can actually remove the rollers. They're locking back in again. You can see how it works. There's a little cam in there to release the roller. There we go, locked back in again. Okay, so I've adjusted the rollers a little bit, as you can see, so we can try and bend this little piece of aluminium here. Let's feed it in. Hopefully it should come out the other end. As I say, it's not easy when you're trying to film and use this thing single-handedly, but let's give it a go, shall we? Wrong way. Right. Okay. So here it comes through. As you can see, it's rolling it quite nicely. not easy. Okay, so there we go. So if you want to roll it completely round like this, the way you get it out is release the rollers this end, pull them out, and then hopefully we should be able to, not easy, hang on, once I get it adjusted we can then slide it off the end here, hopefully without the roller falling out, pushing it back in again and then lock it back, and there we have some rolled aluminium for you. And here we have the usual warning that obviously you can hurt yourself if you don't use this thing properly. Various different sizes of plates available on the brake here, so you can adjust it to fold different sizes of materials. Here is a view from the back. This little red bar will clamp, as you can see here, it will come down and clamp anything you're cutting. Hopefully I can show you how the blade cuts here. As we bring it down, it starts at one end because it's a slightly curved blade. The other piece of equipment we have here in the garage is this little fella here, this shear here for cutting metal. We had a similar one to this at school. Cuts out little bits of metal which we used to take home, but yeah. So if you'd be interested to see a review on this, please let me know in the comments down below. Alright then guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this Warco 30-inch shear brake and roll. I do apologise for the camera work. I am using my mobile phone here, and basically doing it all single-handedly, which wasn't easy. We've got a little cover there to cover the rollers up, and then trap your fingers in there. But yeah, I do hope you enjoyed popping over to the garage here at work, and I do hope you'll pop by Rathbone Manor or work here at some point in the future, because I'm sure I'll have something else equally interesting for you to take a look at. So yeah, I do hope you enjoyed taking a look at the Warco here, and thanks for watching.